Splitting payments on eBay. In today's video, you are going to learn how to split payment on eBay. So let's get started and don't miss any important step. Alright, let's begin. So first, if you have multiple credit cards, you might be curious if you are able to split payment on eBay, meaning that you will be able to use various different cards that you have for one order on the website or the mobile app. So you can go and look for whichever product you would like to try splitting the payment for, so add the items to your cart. So now as you can see, I am on eBay and I'm looking for the products I want to buy. From here I will select this and I will click on buy it now. Now after adding it to the cart, I will click on check out one item. And now I will be able to see all of these payment options. And now what you have to do is you will be required to enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and then the name. After this is you can go to the next step. However, you will notice that there is no option related to splitting payment. So sadly, the answer to the question is that it seems like there is no option to split payments on eBay. According to their own website, they have stated that if you are trying to make an order of more than 500, the option would be available. But for most users, this option doesn't seem to appear regardless of the price, and that's it. You are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.